As we continue our instructional design, assessment instruments must be created. Dick and Carey opine that criterion reference tests evaluate the learning continuum from lack of knowledge to full competence of the material and identifies the learning evolution. Entry behavior tests, and in a similar fashion, pre-tests, are used by instructional designers to determine the level of prerequisite skills already mastered. It places significance on the learner's prior knowledge and gives the designer the basis for beginning level instruction. Post-tests measure the extent to which objectives have been met and illustrates the effectiveness of the design and can also point to gaps in learning. The term criterion is used because assessment items serve as a benchmark to determine the adequacy of learners' performance in meeting the objectives. There are 4 suggested types of test criterion. The first is goal-centered. These types of test items should closely match what is described in the objectives and is content-specific. Learner-centered. Considers the learner, their characteristics and needs, and considers such items as vocabulary, language levels, developmental issues, motivation, and experience. Context-centered. Designers must be resourceful in order to create environments that reflect the actual context as much as possible. This evaluates the performance and learning setting. Assessment-centered. Test items must be clearly formatted and give learners the best opportunity for success. Questions should vary and account for different cognitive and learning styles. We invite you to study our assessment instruments on the review page of our web application to see how each of these considerations are addressed.